In this video, I would like to introduce a major component of CAT, which is the FluxManager. The FluxManager basically handles all the dead trees, windfall trees, and harvested trees. So basically what you can do, you can define your own production lines and how the dead organic matter is dealt with. So to open the FluxManager is quite simple. You have this combo box here in the upper part of the main interface. Okay, you have some presets in this combo box. So if you want to create your own Flux configuration, you just select Customize here, and you open it with this small icon on the right hand side. So once you click on this icon, you will see this dialog here, which is actually the FluxManager. It's a dialog, so if you double click on the upper bar, it won't expand. However, there is an option here in this view menu that you can click on. It's full screen and it should enlarge and fit your screen. So there are several components in this FluxManager. The first one is the bucking module. You should choose how you're going to buck your harvested trees. So what are going to be the log rates. So by default, you have this basic tree logger, which defines two different log rates, particle and sawing log rates. You can choose if you have a different implementation. For example, if you use CAT within the CAPSYS platform, for example, you might have more complex implementation with a larger number of log rates available. So in this main panel here, you have your Flux configuration that you can define, and by default you have here on the left hand side you have your processor. Basically the matter comes in from the left hand side, so you have the fine woody debris, commercial size woody debris, coarse woody debris, and those log rates defined by your bucking module. You also have this toolbar here, which contains different icons, so you will be able to create different, we call them processors, that will basically define your production lines.